Everyone, I want you to see this studio apartment here in Cape Town. Here's the bathroom, shower, nice sink, tile floors, of course. Now let's come around here. This is your dining area. You have a washing machine, kitchen area, stove top, everything you need to move in. This right here, of course, is the fridge. But this is a studio apartment. But this right here is also a fold down bed, which you can fold down. This is your little living room area. I'm quite sure it's a TV inside here, right? Oh no, the TV is over here, sorry. The TV is over here. I was thinking it was inside the cabinet, the wardrobe, but this is the bedroom area. And then look at this magnificent view you have out here on the balcony. You can actually see the ocean from here. Listen to Miss Togo. You got the mountains in the back over here. The city view and also the ocean view. Also, way off in the distance, you can see Robben Island, way over there. But all of this can be yours for $100,000. That's right. So contact me, Ty Nichols. Also, here's the canal too. I don't know. Let me see if I can show this. But there's the canal. So you have a canal right there. You have the ocean over here. And in the background, you have the mountains. We're not too far from Table Mountain either, as a matter of fact. For all of this, for a studio apartment right here in Cape Town, South Africa. If you're interested in investing with Africa Investment Guide, contact me, Ty Nichols, by calling me. The number is on the screen, or by going to AfricaInvestmentGuide.com. Thank you.